question is, two cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards at random. That means denominator will be 52C2. How to calculate 52C2? Morning class I discussed. Start from 52, write down two terms. 52 into 51. And because it is 2 here, start from 2, write down till 1. So your denominator in all the problems is 26 into 51, right? Denominator is always 26 into 51 when you draw two cards from 52 cards. Now please read the first statement, first question. What is the probability that it is both the kings, right? What is the probability that both are kings? Now see here, totally how many kings are there? I am interested in drawing two cards from 52 cards, and those out of 52 cards, how many kings are there? There are 4 kings. In every of the cases, heart, diamond, spade and club, there will be one king. So there are totally 4 kings. Out of 4 kings, select any 2 kings. So it is 4C2. Denominator is 52C2. Right? Denominator is 52C2. Next question is exactly 1 ace. Right? Exactly 1 ace. Now listen to this carefully, sir. The question says I should draw 2 cards. Totally I should draw 2 cards, but out of the 2 cards, one only should be ace. Exactly one should be ace. That means how many aces are there? There are totally 4 aces. Out of 4 aces which are available, select any one ace. Out of 4 aces, select any one ace. Now exactly one ace means I selected one ace, but totally I should draw 2 cards. That means another card which I am drawing, out of 52, 4 are over. In the remaining 48 cards, it can be any one card. I don't mind which is that card, but I want to draw from the remaining 48 cards. In that 48, ace should not be there, because if I take ace once again, it will not be an exactly one ace card. I believe it is clear. It is 4C1 into 48C1, and denominator by default it is 52C2, right? It is 52C2. How to calculate all these values? We have discussed multiple problems in the morning session, sir, right? See the third question. The third question says no digit card. That means it should not be digit card, means it should be honor card. Honor, how many cards are there? 16 cards are there. Out of 16, select any 2. Divided by 52C2. That is the third answer. Fourth answer is nothing but no honor card. If it is not an honor card, it should be digit card. Honor cards are 16. Out of 52, if I remove 16, 36 digit cards will be there. Out of 36, select any 2. Divided by 52C2. Right? Divided by 52C2. I hope it is clear till this point. Now see the next question. Fifth question. Cards of same color, right? Cards of same color. What is the meaning of same color? First of all, 2 cards I should draw. I should draw 2 cards. Same color means it can be both red. It can be both red, or it can be both black, right? It can be both red or it can be both black. Now, if I write it in NCR form, both red means out of total 26 red, select any 2 red, divided by total number of cases is 52C2, or is nothing but addition, right? Or is nothing but addition. Next, out of total, both should be black. Out of total 26 black, select any 2 black, and denominator is 52C2, right? Denominator is 52C2. Simplify this, you will get the answer. It is 2 times of 26C2 divided by 52C2. That will give you the answer. Answer is 25 by 51, right? Next. Cards of different color. That means different color means, can I say that one card should be red and the other card should be black? Then only it will become different color. Now totally 52 cards are there. Select 2 cards. Out of that, out of 26, select any one red card. It is 26C1, and multiplication. Out of 26 black, select any one black card. It is also 26C1, right? It is also 26C1. I believe it is clear. Next, 7th question. 1 king and 1 queen, right? 1 king and 1 queen. Totally how many kings are there? 4 king. Out of 4, select any one, and out of 4 queen, select any one. Denominator is 52C2. right? Denominator is 52C2. The last two questions in this caselet are one honor card. How many honor cards are there? 16 honor cards are there. Out of 16, select any one. And one digit card. How many digit cards are there? 36 digit cards are there. Divided by 52C2, right? Divided by 52C2. And the last question is exactly one card of heart. Now listen to this carefully. Exactly one card of heart. Can I say that heart, it should be exactly one card? That means totally 13 hearts are there, right? Totally 13 hearts are there. Out of 13 heart, select any one heart, right? Now out of 52, Aditya, if you listen to my last question, it is exactly similar to my second question. Both are more or less the same, right? Now see here, exactly one card of heart. Now out of the two cards which I am drawing, one of them should exactly be heart. That means I cannot have two hearts. Only one should be heart. That means out of total 13 hearts, I am selecting one heart. Now the other card which I am selecting, it can be any one card. Out of the remaining how many cards? Out of 52, 13 over. Remaining are 39, right? That means 13C1 into 39C1 divided by 52C2. This should be the answer for the last question. Aditya, I am sure that you should have understood your second question also right now.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.